Alright, Mr. Parrot. I got stuff to do. So, Oh, hi. Well, this is awkward. I got stuff to do, so, Parrot's gonna keep you company. Don't say anything that'll get us demonetized. Oh, hello there. Well, since he's gone, I guess it's time to tell you the story of Pixie. So the story all starts with Pixie the First. He was a small chicken from a small town when someone found him and brought him back, recognizing his intelligence. Pixie soon rose to the title of king and became one of the most important creatures in all the land. Unfortunately, he would meet an untimely demise, only to be revived as Zombie Pixie. His legacy would permeate all of Minecraft, and through the years, he would respawn. Pixie the Second, which is also known as Pixie the Conqueror, Pixie the Third, Frederick the Pixie, and finally Pixie the Fourth, Cleopatra. But it has been quite a while since the last Pixie, and the clouds tell of a new Pixie soon to rise. Hello, welcome back to Minecraft. My name is Fennec, and this is episode number, 12? 12. Yes? Yes, 12. And today, we're handling these things. Chickens. Except, I don't want those. I don't want these chickens. I want the cool chicken, because the prophecy has foretold that the next Pixie is a cool chicken. So, off we go to find Pixie. But it can't just be any Pixie. It must be the special Pixie. He must be the one. He must be the one! Ah! I've come back because I realize I don't have a boat. So, let's craft a boat first. And then we go, oh, what is that? Okay. Anyways, focus. I'm focused. Super focused. Hyper focused. I had caffeine today. I need leads. Leads. I have leads somewhere. Leads. I have leads here somewhere. Maybe I have them in my ender chest. Oh, they're in my ender chest. Oh, okay. Alright, now off we go. I have food. Tools are good. Armor good. Okay. Well, I know I'm in the right area because I can see firefly bushes. Are there regular bushes too? No, just firefly bushes. Hi, how are you, sir? I see. Thank you for the firefly, sir. I'll be on my way. Oh, another one. Okay. Off we go. Oh, another one. Look, do you see it? There's the worm chicken. That means we're close. I can feel it. Oh, turn around. Come on. What's that? Oh, those are like new cows. Okay, I have to get you too, but not right now. Pixie is more important. More firefly bushes and regular bush. Oh, I need silk touch for that, don't I? Yep, regular bush. Okay, these are all warm biomes. I need to find a cold biome. Wait, can it spawn near the mountain near my house? I wonder, huh? Might be able to. Okay, let's head back home. Maybe we can go to the mountain. And so back home he went, off on his way. No. But I did find some leaf litter though, so that's pretty cool. I mean, I know you can make this stuff at home, but still. And I also found these. Do I need silk touch for this? Yes, I do. I'm over here in the mountains. Now, I think I already loaded this area, so we may not find chickens here. Just gotta be careful for powdered snow. Hi, bees. Oh, hi. Okay. Everyone keep a lookout for chickens. By everyone, I mean me. Chickens. After a very extensive search of 30 seconds, I have seen no chickens, so we're gonna go find another cold biome. So, I didn't want to do this, but I guess I'm just gonna have to go out pretty far away to find this cold biome, but it'll be worth it for Pixie. Anyways. Off we go. Stop hitting things. Okay. Now, on the way, I did find... What was that? Pale oak. Okay. Let's get this quick. Okay, I definitely have... Did I not bring the hoe with me? Oh, well, hello, goats. How you doing? It's a cold biome. Come on, show me the chicken. Okay, I see a wolf. Surely there's a chicken around here somewhere. There's no animals around here. Okay, I think we're getting close. I can feel his presence. Oh, there's a village over there. Rabbits. Okay. No. Hello, have you any of you seen a very intelligent chicken? No? Okay, well, keep an eye out for me, okay? There's a cat. Oh, this one has a basement. I shall take that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to leave you guys there. Have fun. Thanks for the potion. Guys, back to Pixie. Oh wow, that was an aggressive wolf. Okay. Chicken. Okay, I see a cow over there. I see the cold cow and pig. Surely there's a chicken. Chicken. I hear chicken. Where's chicken? There's the chicken! Now let's see, are you a pixie? Hi. Well, we're gonna bring you back anyway. Alright. Back home we head. Come on. Any other chickens here? There's one more chicken. Come on. Okay. You too. This way. Now time to head back 5,000 blocks. I'm starting to think this was a crazy idea. Nah. Come on, chickens. Hi. So, I was talking to my mom about this, and she said, why don't you just bring eggs instead of bringing them 5,000 blocks? I was like, you know, that's actually very smart. So I'm going to wait here and just collect a bunch of eggs. And I'll see you in a minute. Okay. Well, I did eventually make my way back, and I did find a couple things along the way. So let me go ahead and show you. Come on, look at my two little guys. Okay. I got that, got some blue ice. Most importantly, though, I got the eggs. And so we're going to farm some pixies. This is loud. Let's walk away. One thing I also noticed in the corner of my eye. Look at. Hello. Do I need silk touch? Can I? Please. Okay. Don't die. Okay. Ow. This flower, it's so cute. Look how cute. Okay. I don't know if you need silk touch, but I'm using silk touch. First things first, let's get some pixies. Or the pixie, to be more accurate, I guess. Now, Pixie the Fifth shall be born. Really? My lord, is it Pixie? Shall make sure. I see it. I believe that is him. I see the look in his eyes. And thus you shall be named officially Pixie the Fifth. All hail the new Pixie the Fifth. All shall bow in his chickenness. Chickenness. All hail Pixie. Okay. So I gathered a lot of materials. You know. A little amount. And I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of freeform a Pixie mansion. Hi Pixie. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy a time lapse. Boop. Okay, Pixie, it's time to move into your new mansion. So if you'll please follow me, my lord. Let me clear this for you. This way. Come on. Please follow me. Right through here. Inside. There we go. Let's enjoy some seeds. There we go. Now, we still have to furnish this, but he's at least comfortable for now. Oh, I do have to give him a bed. I feel like he's jumping for joy already. Alright, let's make a quick bed for him. God, I wish you could put, like, banner designs on a bed. That would look really cool. Give him a pixie bed. Oh well. Okay, bedtime. Let's... I have gray wool, right? Yes. Gray wool, gray wool. Yes, I do. That's not a crafting table. Alright, you know, let's bring this with me. Okay, Pixie. Bedroom. Let's do... We're gonna do a double bed. And do a fancy bed. There we go. And I need another lantern. Excuse me, Pixie. Yep. That, and let's put some planters and stuff in there. Of course, you should have some fine art. Well, he's already pooped on his bed. There we go. Looks good. Right there. One down. Just like that. Do we have another one of that size? Oh yeah, the skull painting. We'll put the skull one there. Okay, do we have more spruce wood? Let's see. Okay. And let's put some more here. No. No. Okay, bad. Okay. And finishing touch. Needs. Okay. And then let's put right there. That and finish. Boom. Yep. That looks like a pretty good home for Pixie. What do you think? Give me your honest opinion, Pixie. That's a good point. Well, we can work on that. Yeah. Seems to be pretty satisfied with it, though. So, I call that a win. Alright, well, now that Pixie has his house all set up, I want to work on something in between episodes. So, if we go on into the Nether. Hello. Nether time. No, wait. Shit. Okay. Now, if my memory serves me correctly, which is never a good thing to rely on, to be honest with you, I think the fortress is about that way. So I'm going to go ahead and dig a safe tunnel to there so I can set up Blaze Farm. In the meantime, love yourself, love each other, and forevermore, adieu.